Hababu ka jing kyrpad iki paidbah nong Shillong ka Shillong Meghalaya ha ka paidbah ba ka jing ba kia kendu na ka daw jong jing pile boarding na ka tanat Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited mintirang ba ka Shillong konrad ke sangma ulong ba yamanta shipor ban light na kalut sheding kandai baik ka jingwan ka ayom liur ne ka por slap lani lada ka Shillong ka la ban thiet boarding ha ka dor ka babyang nakaliang mintirang ba ka Shillong la airu ka jingkular ba hakini ki khndiat manai ban wan kan sadon ka jingpan ba ha ka paidbah bat ka boarding ha po ka Shillong.
Well, the load shedding, as I said, we have to understand that this year specifically has been a much more complicated year for us. We had elections, and because of the election procedures, election commission, and many other factors, we could not have the kind of scattered load shedding that we normally have. So we used to have 2-3 hours in the month of January, February, March, April, May. So it was staggered out, and therefore we would not see the intensity in one particular month. But this particular year we could not do that, and hence we are seeing the load of all the last 3-4 months in this month of April, half of April, and some part of May. That's number one. Number two, we are also seeing challenges because there is a power issue all throughout the country. We are facing, I think, in some areas it's lesser, some areas it's more, but we are having challenges throughout. And third, of course, MECL itself, we are having huge financial concerns in MECL, and hence as a government, we need to support them to a large extent, which we are supporting. And that's the reason why we've been able to at least maintain things to a certain level. But these challenges are huge, and hence the aspect of reformation within the MECL has also started, and we will see that through this year many reforms more will take place. But having said that, that is for the future. In the current situation, the only respite that we will get is once we see some kind of good rainfall that we can get, or once we're able to see that we're able to purchase the power at a slightly more reasonable rate. The rates are very high because of the overall shortage in supply at the national level, also in different grids and different producers. So all these challenges are there. I hope that we will be able to move forward, and we'll be able to reduce things in the time to come as we see, as I said, the monsoon arriving. That will be the main solution for us for time being. But in the process, I just would like to appeal to the citizens that yes, I understand this is a tough time. Please do bear. It's a challenging time. We are working towards minimizing the discomfort that you're having by managing the timings of the different load sheddings in different areas based on the weather pattern. So we urge citizens to bear with the different challenges that we're facing. And let me also assure the citizens that this may be one of the most difficult times for the power sector. But as we move along, we will see in the coming months and years, the situation will not be as extreme as we are seeing in this month. And we'll see a vast improvement because there's a lot of work that's happening behind the scenes, and we'll see the results of that in the coming days. So post this phase, we don't expect such an extreme phase to come in the future.